Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding a CSV Dataset Config inside the thread group so Jmeter reads rows per thread. Specify the file name and variable names exactly. These become the Jmeter variables you reference with $var. Choose recycle on EOF versus stop thread on EOF based on test intent. Once done, set sharing mode, all threads, current thread group, etc. And save the test plan. This ensures predictable concurrency and data distribution when the test runs. Next, connect the CSV variables to the samplers and logic controllers. Use $field name directly in HTTP request parameters, body data, headers, or beanshell/JSR 223 scripts so each virtual user receives unique input. Make sure delimiter and ignore first line match the file format, set encoding to UTF-8 for non-ASCII. Once configured, validate with a few threads and view results tree to confirm correct mapping before scaling up the thread count for larger load tests. To finish, run a small test with several threads to ensure CSV rows are consumed as expected and each sampler receives the correct values. Once verified, increase thread count and monitor logs for CSV read errors. If things go wrong, check the absolute file path, file permissions, and the CSV Dataset Config's sharing mode. Also confirm variable names match references exactly. Fixing those 3 items resolves most issues and prevents silent data reuse or premature EOF behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.